Tugung pui, Darabo John ga kitab loka porinam. So kokang ho, Jisu Galili gangda ho angla dopan. He hogoba, Jihudi nia muaming duba maker dungkukup, Judia gangda ho mudonang mapan. Sije, Jihudi niga tabyo darum de hanakpan. Hab mapdi, muga abang buru darum gup, anghiu kokang ho, mukam ang simingga pan. Huku kokang ho, Jerusalem ge ni ke guna bingpan. Nigam ribu tunglunga mingduba maker dung nama he mare. Hoge kato, mu bingper lagyo dung do, hab mapdi, bulua muam hugu kam gyo se doma. Mua, Kristo hala nigam ribu tunglunga, cingpa kunugure. Hab mapdi, so ni si huguluk ke hadane ho ham ngulcing do. Hab mapdi, Kristo hari kunyi muhuguluk ke hadune ho ham ni aku kam cingram. Ho guber, Jisu mondol ho, tamsar sarla aci jagugla bingpan. Nulungam cingdo, hoga ngo hugulok ke haina, ham kam cingdo. Hab mapdi, ngo atu mangkuluk ke hama. Hab mapdi, nulu kacing manamam kanam lagbu. Mua, jaktang bua, ngo muam cingdan. He huguber, mu ngam kanam lagpan. Hoguber, nulu muam natung tapan. Hab mapdi, ni aku kam muam natung duberi nyoma. He huguber, mu ge amatang dunga hama tepan. Hab mapdi, ni apam pingko ho, ni ak jago muam mangjang la bingnyapan. Kristo hari kunyi so ni ge sererina mam leboya murite rinare. Ni tunglonga Jisu lelo hab japse dung nama. Parisi ni tunglonga te palaila. Nibu koi bu tunglong la hoge. Parisi tunglonga muam natung dobe mondol dagyabam kanam lakpan. Hoguber Jisu bingpan. Ngonul lagab apogo do taklaila. Ngam kanam lagbo do kobe angker terikon. Nulu ngam me karteri. Hab mapdi ngam me param hoge. Ngo hugulo dopa huk ho nulu hanyoram. Hoguber Jihudi ni tunglunga bulu pingkolo bingming supan. Ngul muam me pa nyuma kobe mahugulo ang terin. Ang ping ang rabu Greek niyam tamsar tabe ang terinare. Nulu ngam me karterin. Hab mapdi ngam me param hoge. Ngo hugulo dopa hukho nulu hanyoram. Hala muga gyona mo huguya. Darumam darum de ge aluho hanama. Darum ge koi yachuk ge aluho. Jisu dagrapla, Jisu aci jag gugla bingpan. Hiye hangar do, he nga gulo halayila tangmuto. Darabo pota bing namam, hab kalam. Hiye nga mangjang bu, hoge, darbu isi hochang bu, mu hajang haraluke biling terin. Sije, mua mangjang bu ni tunglunga, narak di bu yajal lelo so sambing pan. He huguber, huku ho, Jisu ni, muga hingpu hung tobe narak made gup, yajalam jilak mapan. Pori cho, Cinglar kitab. Darmo ni mabuhe, sebe jama comrom barak hang bamla, bulu atu sunga gyodo. Kujulay, nyajik lotang ni gube, jama langgam aku, ada gurang be pepe nyalaju. Muluga sanggu lam tam, muedam terdo. Muluga dapo dagla, pap renamam bing terdo. Nguluam, rici ribu gube bingdo. isorni chingpane habagyola atusuam filoge kunge hado. Nguluge mangnamam bingha taja bu akube meripa. Muam kapa namro kohe ngulugube aging akube ripa. Hanyilokam muge sanggun yurulo rinam malange. Ni asagge rinamam lungsakpa hoge muge lamtange kamu nam beripa. Nguluam lacu samtam akube memangdo. Hoge nguluge lamtangam kacubu berkado. Tingdalo tengge nyuktukam muhing pubu bergyodo hoge isor muge abu hala larkedo. Kujo muge bingnam he jaktenge yare kakanya lajo hoge muam anikha hingkala kayanya lajo. Muge sangtere huku aing rini yore. Nyajik lo tangni he isorge gugulo nyamagge ledak menam luke isor muam sakala riang pitere. Kujo muam rici jak ricurinyi hingterji laila muge yanu hangam la hoge cikne nene atoram hingkanya lajo. Kujulay muam hanying jak simunya lajo. Hanyilokam muam isor riang piterine hala mu atu bingsu pane. Habajak bulu hangbam pane. Hab mapti buluam anggak ke pane. Hanyilokam buluge karuci he buluam nyekmam mo pane. Hoge isor ge mangsipe nam mangdom namam bulu cingmane malo darak tojo ke ajoam manging mane malo kacu begap mabu yaji yalu ke ai laci ajoam kam hupci mingge mane.
Friday, the 4th of April 2025. First reading. Reading from the Book of Wisdom. Ungodly men reasoned unsoundly, saying to themselves, "Let us lie in wait for the righteous man, because he is inconvenient to us and opposes our actions. He reproaches us for sins against the law and accuses us of sins against our training. He professes to have knowledge of God and calls himself a child of the Lord. He became to us a reproof of our thoughts. The very sight of him is a burden to us, because his manner of life is unlike that of others and his ways are strange. We are considered by him as something base, and he avoids our ways as unclean. He calls the last end of the righteous happy and boasts that God is his Father. Let us see if his words are true, and let us test what will happen at the end of life. For if the righteous man is God's son, he will help him and will deliver him from the hand of his adversaries. Let us test him with insult and torture, that we may find out how gentle he is and make trial of his forbearance. Let us condemn him to a shameful death, for, according to what he says, he will be protected." Thus they reasoned, but they were led astray, for their wickedness blinded them. And they did not know the secret purposes of God, or hope for the wages of holiness, or discern the prize for blameless souls. Responsorial Psalm. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. The Lord turns his face against the wicked to cut off their remembrance from the earth. When the just one cries out, the Lord hears and rescues him in all his distress. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. Those whose spirit is crushed he will save. Many are the trials of the just one, but from them all the Lord will rescue him. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. He will keep guard over all his bones. Not one of his bones shall be broken. The Lord ransoms the souls of his servants. All who trust in him shall not be condemned. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. Gospel acclamation. Praise and honor to you, Lord Jesus. One does not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes forth from the mouth of God. Praise and honor to you, Lord Jesus. Gospel. Reading from the book of John. At that time, Jesus went about in Galilee. He would not go about in Judea, because the Jews were seeking to kill him. Now the Feast of Booths was at hand. After his brothers and sisters had gone up to the feast, then he also went up, not publicly, but in private. Some of the people of Jerusalem therefore said, "Is not this the man whom they seek to kill? And here he is, speaking openly, and they say nothing to him. Can it be that the authorities really know that this is the Christ? But we know where this man comes from, and when the Christ appears, no one will know where he comes from." So Jesus proclaimed, as he taught in the temple, "You know me, and you know where I come from. But I have not come of my own accord. He who sent me is true, and him you do not know. I know him, for I come from him, and he sent me." So they were seeking to arrest him, but no one laid a hand on him, because his hour had not yet come. Gospel of the Lord.